Haperdi em gi pulit wa boon. Thap vote ha Wapungskur da Sdang biang ko kama da bo por na do nyaw je ni step deu mi runti gi pej ba wa boon. Udisi ge is Giant Hills u Shivanj awas thi. Da pentiu wa ha Bataw le ka thap vote man go da Sdang wa ini to haden wa janin wa em gi bru tempia temprai sotul gi kor EVM QMR tali ha Wapungskur wa artali ha Bataw haiwa na liang ga sarkar da pha ga wa pen man biang ni thap vote. Da pen kumu le wa pen krek kam da section 163 ga BNSS hawro akini ki arli gi chnong yo khang ye lang pej ba wa pen thot ye lai wan gi bru. Ni liang SP ga district Ugiri Persad em da pentiu wa ga tikit ang lai ko chakmat yo cham ye ko tempia ki kor EVM wa kate iwa khmat to yo pen biang ye em gi pulit yo pen tikena wa thap vote man i wa lai ba claim da em pen thot yo ye ki bru u lai vote de wa lai load. Da pentiu le wa em nya phau ngot ki pulit tu ha Wapungskur wa kan thup le ki pulit kan thai wa ha Bataw da em so phau ngot ki pulit.
Yesterday, during a GHADC election in our district, there were total 4 incidents where EVM was damaged by a group of people. So after that, the security in both Wapungskur village and Bataw village where these incidents happened was beefed up, and also the RO went there, and at the spot they decided to adjourn the poll yesterday, and the report was submitted to district council, based on which the government ordered the repoll today. So today we have started the repoll on time. The polling time is from 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. Right now polling is going on peacefully and full security deployment is also there. We have also imposed curfew in both the Wapungskur village and Bataw village. So I think today the voting will be peaceful, and we are ready for any kind of scenario. We are fully ready with all the security. Both the ROs and the magistrates are also here to respond to any kind of situation.
As per law, and our investigation is on, but today our priority remains that we provide high security to Bataw A and B and Wapungskur A and B polling stations, so that the election happens transparently as per the guidelines, and there is no law and order situation, and people are able to vote without any influence or anything. Thank you.
Regarding the deployment of security forces, is it adequate as per?
Yes, we have got almost 70 personnel deployed for Wapungskur A and B together, then along 40 personnel for Bataw A and B together. Along with that, we have women constables also for women polling stations deployed.
Kami to kecing pembina KWM kam. Kami to kecing pentip kam jule kam kecing pen kemo yepi kipat ba nong chong chnong yong ke Wapungskur wa district magistrate kadis jai ke district datang lekeng ya ke section Cispa Andrupulu Yong ke BNSS Knang Royo ya ke Chong Sup Chong San
निकाल दो ना हो गया
Kami to kecing pembina KWM kam. Kami to kecing pentip kam jule kam kecing pen kemo yepi kipat ba nong chong chnong yong ke Wapungskur wa district magistrate ke East Giant district datang lekeng ya ke section Cispa Andrupulu yong ke BNSS Knang Royo ya ke Chong Sup Chong San hapo yong ke Chnong Bataw. Katkam kami ke hukum dakhang percaya wong hoi uyalang bru palat sanmut heju itaw hapo upur usam yong ke Wapungskur kam jule dakhang percaya wong hoi ra ya kityar yasyan wa kityar penunso nagno tang kibor pulim. Yepi kipat ba nong chong chnong yong ke Wapungskur wa district